plans to head out, make plans to visit your local Par-Mar store. From gas to great food and all the snacks you need, you'll
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Pocahontas County in northeastern West Virginia, southeastern Nicholas County in southeastern West Virginia, south central Webster County in northeastern West Virginia until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Ridgewood, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ridgewood, Hillsboro, Buckeye, and Cranberry Mountain Nature Center.
Physicality and a lot of experience.